Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into relationships, intimacy, and how to keep the spark alive. Today, we're talking about something exciting: how to get her crazy for sex by doing a few key things that will help ignite her passion and desire. If you want to create that irresistible attraction and make her crave intimacy like never before, then this video is for you. Stick around, because you won't want to miss these tips. 1. Make her feel desired. First and foremost, one of the biggest turn-ons for any woman is feeling desired. Women love to feel like they're the only person you have eyes for. So take the time to show her how attracted you are to her. Compliment her genuinely, not just on her looks but on the things that make her unique: her intelligence, humor, kindness, and confidence. Physical attraction is important, but emotional connection amplifies everything. Whisper in her ear, give her that slow, lingering touch, and make her feel wanted not just for her body, but for who she is. When she feels valued and desired on all levels, her passion for you will naturally grow. 2. Build anticipation. Next, you want to build anticipation. A lot of guys make the mistake of rushing into things, but one of the most powerful ways to get her crazy for sex is to build tension over time. Tease her throughout the day. Send her flirty texts. Tell her you can't wait to see her. Or give her a passionate kiss without letting it lead straight to sex. Building sexual tension makes the eventual release even more intense. It's about creating a slow burn, making her think about what's going to happen later. When you leave her wanting more, she'll be eager and excited when the moment finally arrives. 3. Pay attention to her needs. Women love a man who is attentive to their needs, both in and out of the bedroom. Before anything happens, it's important to connect on a deeper level. Ask her how her day was, really listen to her, and make her feel heard. This creates emotional intimacy, which is key for physical intimacy to thrive. In the bedroom, this translates to focusing on her pleasure. Learn what she likes, what turns her on, and what makes her feel good. Be patient, take your time, and don't rush through foreplay. When she feels like you're putting her needs first, she'll be much more enthusiastic and open to exploring deeper levels of intimacy with you. 4. Create the right atmosphere. The environment plays a huge role in setting the mood for intimacy. If you want her to be crazy for sex, create a space that feels comfortable, inviting, and sensual. Dim the lights, light some candles, play soft music. Whatever makes her feel relaxed and in the mood. Make sure the space feels cozy and private. A cluttered room or a too bright environment can be distracting and take her out of the moment. The right atmosphere can make all the difference in how she feels, helping her let go of any stress and focus on enjoying the experience with you. 5. Be confident and take the lead. Confidence is sexy, and taking the lead in a respectful, playful way can be a huge turn-on. Women are naturally drawn to men who are confident in their approach, but not overbearing. Be sure of yourself, but also make it clear that her comfort and enjoyment are your priority. Initiate intimacy in a way that feels natural and fun. It could be as simple as pulling her in for a slow dance, kissing her passionately out of the blue, or whispering something seductive in her ear. Confidence shows her that you're comfortable with yourself, and that can ignite her desire for you. 6. Keep the communication open. Last but not least, communication is key. One of the most important things you can do to make her crazy for sex is to be open and honest with her. Talk about your desires, ask her about hers, and make sure you're both on the same page when it comes to intimacy. When there's open communication, it creates a safe space where she feels comfortable expressing herself. This deepens your connection and makes intimacy more exciting and fulfilling for both of you. Being emotionally in tune with each other will naturally lead to a stronger physical bond. So, there you have it, 6 powerful ways to make her crazy for sex. Remember, it's not just about the physical side of things, but the emotional connection anticipation, and atmosphere that really create a passionate, fulfilling experience. When you take the time to focus on her and build that desire, she'll be craving more intimacy with you like never before. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more relationship and intimacy advice. And don't forget, leave a comment down below if you have any other tips that work for you, or if there's something specific you'd like to learn more about in our next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the spark alive.